Hello, I'm Katie with WTI, and I am so excited to share these work trousers from iChosy. These are their stretchy straight leg pants in navy extra large. And the moment I touched these out of the bag, I fell in love. They have this thickness and weight to them that almost feels luxurious. I immediately want them in more colors. The navy color is just such a nice neutral that can be paired with anything. And what is important to me these days is comfort. I cannot work in a stiff, uncomfortable pant, and these are perfect. The material is cool and soft, and most importantly, the high waistband does not dig into my skin. It has a stretch incorporated into it, meaning it flexes and stretches as I flex and stretch. And it also means I don't have any gapping when I'm bending over or when I'm sitting. Even if your work doesn't require professional attire, these are just so comfortable. You feel so good when you're wearing them. You'll definitely want to wear them in other occasions, like if you're going out, going to dinner, going to brunch, things of that nature. I definitely will be. So now you know, try them for yourself. And that is my point of view.